What do you mean? Is it okay? Where's the bat gone? Oh, there it is. There's a bat in my kitchen. What am I gonna do? Where is it? Where's the bat? Come on. Hold on. Going to somewhere. There it is. There's a bat. Oh, they're quite quick, these little suckers. Well, how do we get a bat in the kitchen? I've got to catch the blooming thing now. Hold on. There's Jilly running away from the bat.
Oh, it's down here.
Go, where's the bat? Oh, there it is. Oh, right. Is it? Oh, yeah, there it is. All right, let's see if we can catch this thing. How are we going to catch a bat? Right, it's over here somewhere. Where is it? Where's it gone? It's here somewhere. Where's the bat gone? Oh, there it goes. Yeah. I think it's landed on me. Where is it?